Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Adiba Ayuni binti AMRAN. My matric number is A22800617. Data dispersions. Data is collection for any number of related observations. The interpretations of data refer to the explanation of the meaning of the data. In statistics, the data set actually come from the sample statistic populations obtained from actual observation, and each row corresponds to the component of the observation, the populations. Some modern statistic analysis software, such as SPSS, help us to analyze the choose data set. Our data set is secondary data. Secondary data is data that was not collected and used for the original purpose for the study hand, but rather for some other purpose. In other words, using existing data for other purpose. The measurement scale also had to do with the quality of the information gathered. Measurement scale come in four variants are nominal, ordinal, interval, and racial. The different scale of measurement have different purpose, and they are appropriate for different type of data. It is important to choose the correct scale of measurement for your data in order to ensure that your analysis are valid. The data set we are using are the price of features that are captured on different place and country. Random sample above is done by picking the lower last two digits of our group members. Matric number 70, 13, 62, 35, 48, 26. B is 70. A random sample of 60 sample of case based on the 60 plus 70, which equal to 77, were generated using SPSS statistic. All category data we recorded uses SPSS statistic.
Nur ATIQAH THAHIRAH binti SANIP. My matric number A22A0862. Overall, have 5 steps. Firstly, number of classes 2k bigger than n. 60 equal to 2k bigger than n. Therefore, the number of classes is 6, which 60 equal to 64 and bigger than 60. Second step, determine the class width. Class width equal to 5.417. Third step, set the individual class limit. Fourth step, making tally for each data entry in the appropriate class. Fifth step, the number of tally mark for the class in the frequency for the class. Frequency distribution length table 0, 13, 12, 24, 4, 5, 2 equal to 16. For weight table 25, 19, 7, 5, 1, 3 equal to 16. For relative frequency equal to class frequency divided by sample size. For weight table, so 25 divided by 60 equal to 0.416. 19 divided by 60 equal to 0.316. 7 divided by 60 equal to 0.116. 5 divided by 60 equal to 0.083. 1 divided by 60 equal to 0.016. And 3 divided by 60 equal to 0.05. For length table, 0 divided by 60 equal to 0. Then 13 divided by 60 equal to 0.217. 12 divided by 60 equal to 0.2. 24 divided by 60 equal to 0.5. 4 divided by 60 equal to 0.067. 5 divided by 60 equal to 0.083. Lastly, 2 divided by 60 equal to 0.033. For cumulative frequency of the last equal to sample size for weight table is 25, 44, 51, 56, 57, and 60. For length table 0, 13, 25, 49, 53, 58, and 90, and 60. The measure of the central tendency for the mean, median, and mode. Firstly, mean refer to the table 7819.16 divided by 60 equal to 130.331866.7. So the mean value of weight is 103.33167. The cumulative frequency 25, 44, 51, 56, 57 and 60. So that the 84.6 times 60 divided by 85.1 divided by 85 times 6 equal to 117.5. For mode table frequency 25, 19, 7, 5, 1 and 3, therefore the class width is 85.1 and 170.1 class width, so that the highest value of weight is 126.6. For length mean, 1668.2 divided by 60 equal to 27.8. Hence, the mean value is 27.8. 60 divided by 2 equal to 30. Hence, the class median is 18.3 to 24.3. The class width 24.4 minus by 17.8 equal to 6.4. So, the median 17.8 plus 13 minus 12 divided by 24, then times 60.6.4 equal to 22.6. For mode table, refer to the table, therefore the class median is 18.3 until 24.3. The mode 17.8 plus 13 divided by 13 plus 1, then times 7 equal to 24.3. Refer to the table, the position range quartile 1, 60 divided by 4 equal to 15. Then quartile 3, 3 times 60 divided by 4 equal to 45. For value for quartile 1, 84.6 plus 60 divided by 4, then minus 2, 25 divided by 15, then times 2 equal to 90.8. For value for quartile 3, 100.15 plus 3 times 60 divided by 4, then minus 2, 44 divided by 45, then minus 2 equal to 180. So the interquartile range is 180 minus 60.8 equal to 160.2. Well, total of frequency is 60. Total of frequency power of 2 equal to 1618307.33. Then total of fx is 7819.86. For length table, value of quartile 1 is 11.7 plus 60 divided by 4 minus 13 divided by 12 times 7 equal to 12.86. Value of quartile 3 17.8 plus 3 times by 60 divided by 4 minus 25 divided by 24 equal to 7 equal to 13.93. For interquartile range is quartile 4 minus quartile 1 equal to 18.07. Table show total of fx 1668.2, then total of x is 4417.71. Lastly, total of fx power of 2 equal to 26480.38.
Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is SYAFIQAH KHAIRUL. My meeting number is A22A0735. I would like to continue about paragraph decomposition. Based on this histogram above, we can conclude the highest main point are 21.2, following by 10.2, and the third highest are 50.7. Next, the polygon paragraph shows that the higher frequency are 21.2, 24 frequency, followed by the second highest 10.2 50 frequency, and the third highest is 50.7 by 10 frequency. Thank you.
Hello, my name is SYAHIRAH binti AZAM AZERI. My matrix number is 8228030. Statistic analysis using software, also known as IBM SPSS Statistic, is a software package used for analysis of statistical data. Although the name of SPSS reflects its original use in the field of social science, its use has since expanded into other data markets. The software interface displays open data similarly to a spreadsheet in its main view. With its secondary variable view, the method that describes the variable and data entries present in the data file are displayed. Numerical descriptive measure. The computation on week and leg 1 is shown in the table above using SPSS statistic. The mean for week is 130.2332, which is identical to the one computed manually. The median for week is likewise 170.5, which is the same as the one computed manually. In terms of mode, the mode for week determined with SPSS is lower than the one calculated manually. The mode for manually calculate week is 126.6, whereas the mode for SPSS generated week is 110.0. The difference in week mode between manual and SPSS computation is 16.6. The mean for length 1 that is determined manually and with SPSS differs. The mean determined by hand is larger than the mean obtained by SPSS. Hypothesis testing. In this table, we have two variables that are used for the one sample t-test, which is length 1 and week. First, the t-test for length is negative 440 and weight is 7.241. Beside the DF for both variables in the same, which is 59. The mean difference for length is negative 4117, while for week is 110.3317. Confidence interval of the difference lower for length 1 is negative 2.401, while upper is 1.578. For week, the confidence interval of the difference lower is 79.842, while upper is 140.821. ANOVA analysis. ANOVA is a statistical approach that compares the mean of two or more groups to see whether there are any significant difference. It helps us to see if the variation between groups is higher than variation within group, which is indicated that the group means are not equal. ANOVA is a useful method for analyzing data containing numerous groups and allowing research to draw conclusions about how those groups differ. It is widely employed in a variety of domains such as psychology, biology, economic, and social science.
Hello, my name is ROVIANA SLIVIA and my number metric is A22A0548. Okay, next I would like to present 4.3 correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is a statistic method that is used to discover if there is a relationship between two variables or data sets, and how strong that relationship may be. In terms of market research, this means that correlation analysis is used to analyze quantitative data gathered from research methods such as survey and polls to identify whether there are any significant connections, pattern, or trends between the two. Based on the table 1 above, SPSS has been used to determine that the correlation for the selected variables, which is weight and length 1. Based on the results of the correlation analysis, we determine that there is somewhat a strong relationship between the variables. Next, 4.4 confidence interval. The tables on the left show the case processing summary and tables on the right is descriptive. The confidence levels can be related to 99% of confidence interval. SPSS results show that the standard error of the dependent variables, which is 1.2371, the population between 89.774 and 170.889. Next, the last one is 4.5 prediction modeling. We have four tables here, which is correlation, model, summary, ANOVA, and coefficients. This is based on multiple linear regressions. It is regression model that involves more than one independent variable. Multiple linear also analysis was performed to find out the direction and extent of the influence of the independent variable on the dependent variable. For example, dependent variable is price and independent variable are length, 1 and weight.
Hi, my name is IFNEE binti SURIYA with metric number A22A0626. So, I will continue with the conclusion. Data distribution is crucial in statistical analysis as it provides the foundation of understanding and interpreting data. It involves assessing data source, variables, and data sets using measurement scale, categorical data, random sampling, and numerical description measure like frequency distribution and center tendency measurement. This technique helps in making informed decisions across various sectors such as marketing, accounting, quality control, customer service, education, and everyday activities. Understanding facts and applying appropriate statistical technique is essential for making informed decisions.